In today's world, everyone wants to grow their business to top level. Many of you are wondering how some of entrepreneurs are growing very fast in this digital era. Yes, today we are going to discuss about how we can grow our business, what strategies we can use to make high income in our business. We can see most of the business success stories of great entrepreneurs. In every business success stories we can notice their hard work, dedication, passion towards their business. Whether you are a startup or an established business, strategic planning and effective execution are crucial to expanding your market presence and increasing profitability. Here we explore strategies for growing a business, encompassing various aspects such as market research, innovation, customer satisfaction, and operational efficiency. This will provide a clear direction for your efforts.
Hire the right people. Before you can even think about your company's growth, you need to have a solid staff to help you achieve your goals. When you have hard-working employees who are dedicated to your company's success, your business will be better equipped for continued growth. Employees who are a good fit for their roles and the company culture tend to be more productive. They understand their responsibilities, work efficiently, and contribute positively to the work environment. Diverse and talented individuals can bring fresh perspectives, ideas, and innovation to your business. Investing in the right employees from the start can save the business both time and money in the long run. Focus on innovation. Innovation allows your business to stay ahead of the competition. Innovation is a key driver of business growth. Introduce new products or services that address changing customer needs or offer unique solutions. By introducing new and improved products, services, or processes, you differentiate yourself from others in the market. Innovation not only attracts new customers but also helps retain existing ones, fostering long-term business growth. When we focus on innovation, we can attract top talent, as employees are more likely to be engaged and motivated in an environment that values creativity and continuous improvement.
Build strong customer relationships. Provide excellent customer service and actively seek feedback to identify areas for improvement. When customers feel a connection to your brand, they are more likely to remain loyal and continue doing business with you. Satisfied customers become advocates for your brand. They are more likely to recommend your products or services to friends, family, and colleagues, contributing to positive word-of-mouth marketing. This can be a powerful driver of new business. Customers who feel connected to your business are more likely to provide feedback, whether positive or negative. This feedback is invaluable for understanding customer needs and making improvements in areas of your business. Building strong relationships can increase the lifetime value of a customer. The longer a customer continues to do business with you, the more revenue they generate over time. This can lead to increased trust, credibility, and a favorable reputation in the marketplace. Develop a strategic marketing plan. A marketing plan helps businesses identify and understand their target audience. Marketing plan helps to define clear and measurable goals and objectives. It provides a roadmap for where the business wants to go and what it wants to achieve in terms of market share, sales, and brand recognition. A well-crafted marketing plan is essential for promoting your products or services and reaching a wider audience. Utilize a mix of traditional and digital marketing channels to create brand awareness. Social media platforms, content marketing, can significantly boost your online presence. Develop targeted campaigns based on your market research to effectively reach potential customers and generate leads. Well-developed marketing plan takes into account the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats means SWOT analysis of the business. It ensures that time, money, and other resources are directed towards activities that are most likely to yield positive results. Attend networking events. Build and maintain relationships within your industry. Attend networking events, trade shows, and engage with other businesses to create opportunities for collaboration and growth. Networking events provide a platform to meet potential clients, customers, and partners. Building relationships in person can often lead to more meaningful connections and business opportunities. Face-to-face interactions help build trust and credibility. Participating in networking events allows you to showcase your products or services to a targeted audience. Networking events offer a chance to improve your communication, interpersonal, and negotiation skills. Meeting new people and effectively conveying your business message can enhance your ability to make a positive impact. This exposure can increase brand awareness and help you reach a wider market. Engaging with these individuals can provide valuable insights, industry trends, and knowledge that can benefit your business. Growing a business requires a multifaceted approach that encompasses market understanding, innovation, customer satisfaction, marketing, and many more. By implementing a well-rounded growth strategy, businesses can navigate challenges, seize opportunities, and achieve sustained success in today's competitive landscape. Continuous adaptation and a commitment to excellence are key elements that will drive the expansion and prosperity of any business. Consistent efforts in marketing, networking, and financial management contribute to building a strong brand and expanding your customer base. Remember that there is no one-size-fits-all solution, and the key is to continually assess your business strategies, learn from experiences, and adjust your approach accordingly. With
dedication, flexibility, and a customer-centric mindset, you can navigate the challenges of business growth and position your company for long-term success.